In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Then use this switcher at the top right corner if it's not already on, and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after that, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!